In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate bulk video in Whisk AI with Whisk Auto Extension. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set everything up, automate your workflow, and download your finished videos quickly and reliably. Start in Google Chrome on your computer. If you don't have it, update or install it first so everything runs smoothly. Next, install the Whisk Auto extension from its official source or the Chrome Web Store. Take a moment to verify you're getting the legitimate extension, then add it to Chrome and let it finish installing. Now head over to Google Whisk AI. When the page loads, sign in with your Google account. This ensures the extension can connect to your workspace later. Before we generate anything, prepare your assets. Gather your images, write out your prompts, and have your captions and video ideas organized. Keeping clear names for files and a consistent format for prompts will save time. For example, keep each prompt clean and focused, and make sure any images you plan to use are accessible and labeled. Open the Whisk Auto Extension dashboard in Chrome. Here, you can upload or paste your bulk prompts list. If you're pasting, keep one prompt per line for clarity. If you're uploading, confirm the file imports as expected. Once your prompts are in, configure the automation settings. Choose the video duration that fits your platform goals, whether short clips or longer pieces. Pick an aspect ratio that matches your destination, like vertical for mobile first posts or widescreen for desktop viewing. Select an animation style that aligns with your brand tone and set the output quality. Higher quality looks great, but may take longer to render, so balance quality with speed based on your timeline. With settings ready, connect the extension workflow to Whisk AI. Make sure you're signed into the same account in both places so permissions line up. When you see confirmation that the extension is linked to Whisk, you're good to go. Start the bulk generation process. From here, let the extension do the heavy lifting. It will automatically upload your prompts, generate visuals, create animations, and export your video outputs. While it runs, keep Chrome open and avoid heavy multitasking to reduce the chance of interruptions. Monitor the progress from the dashboard, watch the status indicators, and if any prompt stalls, you can pause and resume as needed. When everything completes, download all the finished videos to your computer. Store them in a dedicated folder so you can review, organize, and share them efficiently. And that's your bulk video workflow with Whisk AI and the Whisk Auto extension.